Let's check every accessory that comes with Samsung Galaxy A37 5G. We can open the box right here. As you can see, it's brand new, which means all of the accessories should still be inside. I'm just gonna remove those protective stickers from the box, and then we can continue. So here we have the phone itself. I bought it, I think, in the white color, and then here in this cardboard box we'll be able to find most of the accessories. So first thing is instructions. I'm not even gonna bother removing them. It's just warranties and instructions. Then there's the USB cable, which is both times USB-C. And honestly, that is all. You also have the SIM ejection tool and the phone itself, but it doesn't come with anything else. Also, it comes with this protection on the screen, but you obviously need to remove it, and then there's no other screen protection on it. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.